So this time around, I want to show you what the inside of the building look like. We see what the outside of the building look like. We'll see what the inside look like now. Ready? Come on, let's show you.
Okay. The Appleton Railway Station is a two-story Jamaica Georgian timber structure. A timber staircase leads to the station master's quarters, which utilizes timber lattice work as a shading device. The upper floor uses sash windows and jalousies on either doors and recessed panel timber doors. The building is covered with a zinc gable-ended roof. The Appleton Railway Station was constructed around 1894.
Come and chat with Tania.
The building is still preserved, and as you can see, this is the outside. And you look at the building completely. You see the building completely in the landscape. We'll show you a good idea what it looks like from outside. And it's still well intact. You know, a couple parts may missing from inside. Through the years they vandalized the building. I show you the train line. Train line is still around here, but they removed some of it, but most of it is still here. But it's still covered bushes. The bushes are so high because of the rain season. This is what the line look like. As you can see, it's covered bushes all over. The line goes straight back to where the tree is at, back that side. And this is what I look like. Hello.
This is my tour guide. Yes. Shawl. So Shawl is giving me the tour of the building, the Appleton Railway Station.
Alright. Time around, I want to show you what the inside of the building look like. We see what the outside of the building look like. We'll see what the inside look like now. Ready? Come on, let's show you.
Okay. Okay, so I'm at the Appleton Railway Station, and this used to be the basic school.
The chalkboard is right there, as you can see.
Oh my, this is the chalkboard.
The chalkboard where the children used to use to do their works.
So the children used to use a chalkboard to write on the board.
That's the door they used to,
and this used to be the door for them to enter inside of the classroom. And this would have been the exit door.
And that's the all the heroes and the local decorating.
Yes, yeah.
Still alive and well.
Okay. So this used to be the Appleton Basic School.
Yes.
So
back in the days.
when did they started this basic school? After the railway?
During the time of the railroad.
Oh.
Okay, so it's coming from way back, from where the train used to run.
Okay. Well, this is very interesting. This is
where the people used to wait for the train.
So
this is all in ruins now, but this is where the people used to wait for the train. And when the train arrived, they used to wait in the waiting rooms. And this is what it look like this today, from way back in the days.
So this is one of the waiting room.
This is where the people used to wait. It's quite preserved, but it's still, you can see that it's antique. It's kind of old.
Okay, what was in here?
This is where the people used to wait for the train as well. So it's a waiting room.
Waiting area.
Yeah, but it's all in ruins now. It's not been abandoned for so many years.
So
the building
these
is totally deteriorated.
Oh, so they have a lot of old things.
Yes,
Look at these
become a
first time
store.
Coca-Cola bottle.
It's still, everything is still here like what it was before.
So the Coca-Cola bottle, that's our old chair.
Yeah.
On that
very
side.
antique stuff.
And what else they have in here? And they have some boards.
Drums from way
Drums
back.
from way back there, all the way over there.
Okay. And then the separation board is being removed, you know.
Yes.
But this building is very old.
Very old building.
Yeah. This is the, you know already, this place is the waiting area for the train. And then the man that used to work upstairs, the headman, they call him the headman. This is what his place looked like upstairs. So let's show you. Oh. The man that used to live here. So this is my bicycle that, you know, that I used to work with. Alright, share the stairway. This is the stairway. Stairway to heaven. The Appleton Headman. This is where the headman used to walk. All these stairs, 21 flight. This is my Bible. This is what upstairs look like. This is like a storehouse, right? It's like a storeroom.
Oh.
All right, see, it's like a storeroom. Nice. Let's store this side. This is my bedroom. So one room. This is where the headman used to live. Come around here, this side. This is the window.
So this is safe?
Yeah, safe enough to walk. This is way outside.
I'm coming.
You know, you can see.
Yes.
So the way headman used to view the outside when he was looking through the window and all that. And this is inside the headman house. This is what it looked like this day. It's totally different from where it was before.
Yes.
So it's still intact a little. You know, it's still good to survive in for a couple more years.
Okay. And then the view is lovely.
The view from outside. This is the balcony where we view the whole entire estate. You know, you see cows. These cows, people come and tie their cows because the grass is very high. The river, the rainfall for so many days now, the river flood out. But everything seems to be like what it was before. Nothing changed about the land. The land is still beautiful, you know, still in good shape. And this is my little paradise. Garden of Eden. We are planted. All right.
So you have any other?
So it was a nice view, and we enjoyed talking to everyone. And next time.
Okay. Oh, it's Tania. So next time with Tania.
Tania. Next time with Tania. It was a pleasure, Tania.
Oh, okay. All right.
The house for the way you call it, the halt to the railway master.
Okay, so they turn it into a bar.
So it's now turned into a bar. The assistant to the railway master, you can see, because if the Texaco sign from where we went, we still have it in Kingston.
Oh, so it was a Texaco gas station.
Texaco gas station that service the community.